Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Anamika and today we'll learn about a very interesting topic, that is emergency drug. See, as a medical person, we need to or must to know about this emergency drug because anything can happen any time before the procedure, during the procedure or after completion of procedure. So we all need to know, and I promise this will not be a boring video because I have made a mnemonic. So let's learn about this. So mnemonic is 1 and triple E. Here 1 is ONE and triple E is just A 3 times. So first O stand for oxygen. The oxygen is very free, but when something happen and when patient need and he cannot breathe himself, then we need to provide him, and the dose is 100% inhalation. Then comes nitroglycerin and nitroglycerin. Nitroglycerin in given in patient who have angina pain. So dose is 0.3 to 0.4 mg sublingually. एज वी ऑल नो, जब हम टंग के नीचे कोई चीज़ प्लेस करते हैं तो उसका एब्सॉर्प्शन बहुत क्विकली होता है. दैट्स वाई वी गिव दिस सबलिंगुअली. देन ई स्टैंड फॉर एफिनेफ्रिन. एफिनेफ्रिन इन गिवन इन केसेस सच एज एनाफाइलैक्सिस या एस्थमेटिक है पेशेंट को, एंड ऑल्सो इन सिचुएशन वेयर पेशेंट इज अनरिस्पॉन्सिव टू salbutamol or albuterol, and also in very important case that is cardiac arrest. So our dose will be 0.1 mg intravenous or 0.3 to 0.5 mg intramuscular. Then comes our 3A, 3 triple A. Here first A stand will be antihistamine. These are anti-allergic drugs and given in patient when you give LA or something kind of drug and patient so allergic reaction to it, so we can give this drug, and doses is 10 to 20 mg or 20 to 25 to 50 mg intravenous or intramuscular. Then second A stand for albuterol or salbutamol. It is usually given in patient who has a asthmatic problem. See, that's why we always tell ki taking history of patient is very important, because anything happen anytime, and if we already know the history of patient, we can keep this drug beside our chair during the treatment and we can use anything happens. So dose is 2 sprays in per inhalation. And then last A stand for aspirin, and it's very important drug used in myocardial infarction cases and myocardial infection rather, and the dose is between 160 to 325 mg. I hope this video is very helpful for you. Thank you, and also follow for more because more upcoming videos in depth are just going to come. Thank you.